Hi guys, welcome back to another video where today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing two CM models. As always, before we jump in, make sure to like and subscribe and also comment any new models you would like to see on the channel. But with that being said, let's jump straight into unboxing these two CM models. And the first model we will be checking out is this LB Silhouette Works Nissan GT-R R35 or R35 GT-RR. Now, the packaging is really the standard sleeve packaging. As you can see, it does come with some spare wheels though, which we will get into. See, it's got the CM logo, all the details again as per standard for any of these models. You can also see it comes on a nice clear base, which is the same as the other CM models we did unbox. I will leave a link to that video in the description if you did want to check that out. But you can see it's got the Nissan GT-R logo on the front, or the name of it, and also the CM logos on the underneath of the base. Obviously, because these are licensed cars, they have their own bases. But now with the model up close, you can see a bit more of that detail. The headlights have got some nice detail with the nice white line to separate the headlights, which again is nice attention to detail. Obviously, the JPS decals are very well applied, and also the lines for the gold accents super clean and very subtle, but really stand out at the same time. Very clean design. There is some subtle decals on the rear of the model that say Liberty Walk in the darker colours. Obviously, the model being black, it is harder to see them, but they are there nonetheless up close. Obviously, these models do come being able to be wheel swapped, and this is my favourite part about CM models. Obviously, this is sped up, but you can see just how easy it is to wheel swap these models. You just take the ones off the other base and put the spare ones on. Super easy, and it even changes the stance. You don't have to worry about breaking any axles or even breaking the model as such. As long as you're nice and careful, you can very easily put these wheels on and take them off and wheel swap them. Unfortunately, the wheels aren't interchangeable between models, but nonetheless each model does come with their own set of wheels, which do completely change the look of the model in my opinion. Let me know which set of wheels do you prefer. Do you prefer the standard set or the new set with a bit of camber on and a bit of stance? Both do have the tyre rated and brake discs and calipers behind them. Very detailed. Obviously, the whole model in general is very detailed, including the rear of the model. You can see, obviously, it's nicely proportioned. You've got that GT-R badge, which you can see front and rear. Obviously, the tail lights, again, nicely proportioned. Paint application, very nice as well. But that now brings us on to the second model of the video, which is this Subaru WRX S4 with the wide body kit. Obviously, again, also coming with the spare wheels. You can see, again, standard sleeve packaging with all the details underneath. And again, it does also come on the clear base, but this time it has got more of a sticker instead of just the writing on the front. Obviously, you can see the Varis logo, also the CMModels and the Subaru S4 with the wide body. You can see it does come on the clear base as well, which in my opinion I do actually quite like, as with the darker cars you don't lose the model in the base and it does make them stand out. As you can see, it does look really cool on the clear base, and you can really see the details and the proportion of the model, especially the bodyline and the outlines. But with the model up close, the first thing I did notice was how detailed that interior is. You can see the bucket seat with the harnesses and also the Subaru badge at the front. Obviously, the red WRX trim at the bottom. Also, the carbon effect, albeit not the greatest in the world or the greatest that I've seen so far. It is fairly decent and does do the job and does look very realistic for the carbon effect across the whole model. Obviously, this model also being able to wheel swap very easily. They just come off and pop on super easy, no issues at all. If I can do the wheel swaps, I'm sure anyone else can, because I am super clumsy. But overall, this model is very good. I really like the proportions and the look of this model. The way the carbon accents and the red trim really set off with that red interior. Also, the Subaru badge is nice and present on the front. You can clearly see it front and rear. You can also see that intercooler tucked away in the grille. This for sure is one of my favourite models I have looked at from any brand. The way it sits and the detail is just really cool for the price. Obviously, you also get them spare wheels to change the complete look of the model. You can also see it's got the titanium tipped exhaust to just really finish the model off, obviously with the nicely proportioned and tail lights that do pop, especially with the headlights as well. But again, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Do you prefer the standard set of wheels, or do you prefer the wheel swapped version instead? Let me know, and let me know if you would put any different wheels on this model as well. But that's going to be it from me, guys. If you have enjoyed, like I say, make sure to drop a like and also subscribe if you are new, as it really does help the channel out. And also comment any new models you would like to see on the channel, as I do read them all and I will take them all into consideration. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.